In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba and ship to Ghana. We'll walk through the process from opening the website to completing your payment with simple tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. Click the first result to go to the official website. If you already have an account, log in so prices, shipping options, and your saved details display correctly. Make sure your profile information is accurate to speed things up later. Before you browse, set your destination. Click the Deliver to option at the top of the page, search for Ghana, and save that selection. This helps filter availability and gives you shipping estimates that are relevant to your location. Now scroll through the homepage or use the search bar to find what you want. When something catches your eye, click the product to open its details page. Take a moment to review the photos, specifications, minimum order quantity, estimated delivery dates, and seller ratings. Check the variation options, such as color and size, and confirm whether the price changes with different selections or quantities. When you're ready, click Start Order on the product page. Choose your preferred color, then select the size you need. Use the plus sign next to your chosen size to set the quantity. This updates your order total and may affect shipping options. Once those details look correct, click Start Order again to move to Checkout. On the checkout page, confirm your shipping address. Make sure it's a valid address in Ghana with correct region and postal details. Accurate information helps couriers deliver smoothly and reduces the chance of customs delays. It's also wise to keep an eye on estimated shipping fees and timelines at this stage, as these can vary by item and seller. Next, choose your payment method. If you plan to pay by card, select the card option. If you don't have a card saved yet, you'll be prompted to enter your card details on Alibaba's secure payment form. Double-check the order summary, currency, and total before proceeding. For safety, complete payment only through the official trade assurance checkout and avoid sending money off platform. When everything looks good, click Confirm to lock in your selections. Finally, click Pay Now to submit your payment. You'll receive an order confirmation and, after processing, tracking details from the seller. Keep your order number handy, monitor your messages for any supplier updates, and be prepared for possible customs duties upon arrival in Ghana. That's it, your purchase is on the way.